What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. This is summary of decoder installation, a Luxound version 5 with ESU power pack. The model is RS1 Atlas Classic. I did 8 parts of individual videos. They are on DCC Train live channel. I'll put link to the playlist in the description, also in the comment, so you welcome to watch it and see what's involved. Maybe you can accomplish it yourself, or maybe somebody needs to help you and do it for you. So couple of points. Again, absolutely no space, very limited space. I modify the lights, make them shorter because it was bored here, and they barely, you can see those lights. Technically it should be LEDs, that's what in the manual, but anyway, it's a history right now. ESU power pack, I glue it with a Loctite. It has some flexibility, so you can adjust it. Then standard Lock Pilot decoder and Railmaster Hobby speaker. So here we go. I'm keeping usually longer wires for just in case if something happened or need a maintenance. So here we go. We'll do more test runs and a lot of running on my half of the layout. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. If you'd like support channel, please join membership. Thanks again and have a good one. Bye bye.